Adding loose glitter to your gel polish is a lot easier than you think, and I will show you a nice hack. It's a nice hack, a nice little hack. You really don't need 10 coats of gel top coat to encapsulate your glitters. So I'm going to show you a much easier way to do this. Apply your base color, whatever color you want. I'm doing Go with the Waves by Jelligance. Cure for 60 seconds. Add a second coat of your color and then cure this for 60 seconds. We will need glitter and a jelly stamper. I totally messed this one up, so I just spun her around and put her right back in. So it kind of looks funky, but it still works. The tacky layer is your friend, so you'll just dip it right in. Okay, and then apply your glitter right on top of the tacky layer. Make sure to really push everything down. And then I typically like to take like a fluffy brush and just stroke it, laying all of those little glitters down. And this is where you will take your top coat that is dedicated to glitter only. Always have two top coats, one for non-glitters and one for glitters. And then I'm going to use I'm Not Tacky Tack-Free Top Coat. Zoom in there. And then all you need is one coat, sometimes two coats of gel polish. But I really only will need one. That's it. Whoops. What is that? What is that? That booger? See, this is why you dedicate a top coat specifically to glitter, because of all the glitters that will stick inside. But cure this for 60 seconds. And then this you could just wipe right off using, I don't know, Scrub Fresh, alcohol. You can even use acetone, but a lot of people don't like using acetone. You can even use a lint roller, and that works just fine. But I mean, soap and water works too, but not all glitter is biodegradable. And if you have, once you're totally dry for 60 seconds, if you have any little rivets, you can just take lightly with your buffer and just kind of go over that so that your client does not have any snaggies. But that's really the only part that kind of has a little bit of texture on it. Everything else is totally laid down. But again, you can put a second coat. I do sometimes I don't. But yeah, hopefully this helps you. Here is another little hack using these jelly stampers. And you can add to your glitter gel. This is just tap water, and I didn't need this cup. It's an espresso cup from the 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 say set, and the Q-tip. Just soak that Q-tip in the water. And what do I want? What would look good? Let's do, I guess, a starfish. So I'm just going to, as best as I can, find that starfish on the other side. See how I can see the shadow? It's right here. I'm gonna soak that starfish. Just rubbing my Q-tip with water on the back. Now remember, there's typically like a I don't know, like a plastic film over these things, but I took mine off a long time ago. So mine does not have that anymore, but yours probably does. Everybody else's probably does. Okay, I'm gonna put just a little bit of water. Oops, see how you can just see it moving? Yes, this is perfect. So this is clean. I'm gonna take my silicone jelly stamper, just push it nice and firmly on there. And then you pick it up perfectly. See, you can see it. Then you can place it wherever you want. Push firmly and then release. And then apply my top coat. Wow, that is very zoomed in. Then apply, oops, let's center it. My top coat. Cure this for 60 seconds. Now that you know how to do it, you can add more designs if you want, or you can spruce it up with some gel art paint or whatever you want. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me and all the things that YouTube is good for. Okay, thanks for watching.